This is the West Coast Marine Nature Reserve, and it's the largest at 185 square kilometres. It's well named because it stretches from the Point of Ayre in the north all the way down the west coast to Niarbo. It joins up with Ramsay Marine Nature Reserve, the National Nature Reserve at the Ayres, and the new bird sanctuary at the Ayres. And that idea of connecting marine conservation with terrestrial conservation is really important. As with all the marine nature reserves, there's no trawling or dredging with commercial fishing gear, and so most of the fishing activity and recreational activity is done with pots and beach fishing from areas such as this. So that idea of protecting the inshore areas, allowing recreational activities and wildlife to flourish inshore, also helps keep the offshore fishing grounds in good condition. The West Coast is a wildlife watcher's paradise. Everything from seals to sharks, puffins, black guillemots at Peel, but there's also an awful lot of diversity out there under the water.